Good. His neck feels so much looser.
Good. There he is. Hi, August. He's looking at Mama.
Hi.
Hi, cutie patootie. Hi. Happy boy. Happy boy. You ready to get adjusted? Yeah. Oh, it feels so much better. Yeah. Want to explain a little bit what was going on with August?
Say he has severe torticollis, and he only likes his right side. He turns to the left side. So we're really stiff on the left side of the neck.
Hi, sweet thing.
And his left arm movement, raising and moving.
It's moving really so much better
so
though.
Much better.
So he's been getting adjusted a week and a half?
About, a week and a half.
And what have you guys noticed the difference?
Just his movement with his left arm, his stretches, and then just moving his neck and his face to the left side. Yeah. He had a big moment the other day with his passy falling on the left side of. So that was really a huge moment.
Which was funny because you said like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it's there.
Yeah. And like his eyeballs would turn whenever somebody moves to his left side, but his head and his neck wouldn't. And now he's getting there.
Yes, he's got a lot more movement in his arm, his clavicle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, sweet thing. Yeah, sweet thing.
He loves it. Yeah, loves getting adjusted. He loves it. It's like the only doctor he loves.
Well, you know, come on, of course. What's not to love? What's not to love? It feels good. Yes, it does. Yeah, when he the first time I saw him, he didn't have any movement. He wouldn't even look at all center line. No. Can I flip you over with your big old head? Oh my gosh, he's so heavy though.
He's only been doing it for 2 weeks, which is awesome. Yeah, totally. Such an improvement. Even in his tummy time, just lifting his neck up.
Well, the first time his head flopped down. I was like, oh my gosh. He wouldn't even hold his head up. And now he's got so much, the strength is starting to come back up.
Oh, yeah.
He's doing so good, August. I know it's hard. And we're really working on this cranium too. So his occiput is looking better. I know. You telling us a story?
I woke up so goofy today. Laughing all day.
Such a happy baby. It's awesome. All right, let's flip you back over this way. Ready? Hi, sweet thing. Hi, sweet thing. So we still are working on a lot going on still. But hi, I'm upside down. Am I upside down now? It's a whole new world. Yeah. There's things on the left side. Yes. Yes, there is. Yeah, let's see now how he's moving his arm is so much better. Yeah. Yeah. Does that feel good? Does that feel good? Sit there a little more. Yeah.
Even like when we stretch and turn to the left side, it's like you're not forcing his head to go there anymore.
Hi. Yeah. Yeah, the tension, the muscles feel a lot better too.
Yeah.
We still got a little bit there. We're still working on it. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. You're so cute. Yeah.